Hey everybody, this is Nick. Thanks for attending the webinar. This is a quick screencast just showing exactly the steps about what we're talking about with the Excel. So right now, this is the sheet that I brought up. What we're going to do is, like I spoke on, just pretty much filter this entire list by the unique emails that A, show up twice, which means they ordered twice, and B, ordered more than, let's say, 25 boxes. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to set up these filters so we can start ordering everybody. And so when you have these filters up, you just select all the data. Quick little shortcut, Command A will select all. And right now you can pretty much just filter any column you want. This is just in general. But what we're going to do is we're going to set this column under some conditional formatting to highlight if there's a duplicate. So we're going to go into the Home tab. And like I said, this is Excel on Mac 2011, but this functionality is very similar across PC and other versions of Excel. We are going to highlight all the duplicate values. This is just saying the style, etc. Okay. These are all going to appear. We're going to sort these by color. And now what we're going to do is we're going to drag all of this information to a new tab. This is an important step, and the reason we're going to do this is because of all the filtering. There can be some errors with the data, and some columns and rows being left out. So what we're going to do is we're going to paste it. We're going to paste special and the values only. So there's no formatting or anything like that. So now we have all these duplicates, and we're going to select them all again. Do another filter. Select just the email column. Hit this little caret right here, and we're going to do an advanced filter. You can also go to the data tab, and it'll sit under here as well. So we are going to click unique records only. And right now I'm just going to pretty much filter in place and just copy over the data that we have. The other option is you can just make a new tab or something like that. But for now we can just do this. Make sure your list range is where you want it to be. So you can either put, D2 to D, I think it's probably 64. The dollar signs pretty much signify that you want it to stay constant at this one cell, or else it'll scroll down. So you can click this button here to start highlighting. Highlight all these cells. Click this. We click OK. And right here we have everybody that works. And you see how on the left there's some cells mixed up. So if you're not careful, if you modify this, it'll sometimes these cells that are hidden will affect the data. So we're going to make a new sheet. Once again, paste just the values. And now we have all the email addresses, all the people that have ordered more than once, just once. And now to sort and find the people that have ordered over 25 boxes, we can go into the caret for quantity. And just say, the easiest thing is honestly just you can select these if you want, but we're going to do set descending order. So we're going to start at cell A2. We want to grab pretty much everybody above, let's say 10. You could just kind of drag this across. The shortcut is you just click it once, and then you press Shift click, and it'll select all these. We're going to copy these to the sheet that we were using over here. I'm going to delete these sheets just to make it a little cleaner for everybody. And now what we're going to do is, we might have some duplicates here. So we're going to run the advanced filter again to leave only the unique values. It's selected D1 to D50. Let's just confirm that that's correct. Correct. Unique records only. Yep, and it went down. So now we're going to make a final sheet. Select everybody. Paste special. Paste just the values. And boom, here's your sheet. And there you go. There's your list of all the people that have got duplicate values, as well as ordered over 25 boxes in our case. And hopefully this was helpful for you guys, and thanks again for attending the webinar.